Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a little update about my birds. As you know, I had only one canary bird, and now there is two of canary birds and two like Amadins. I don't know how to call them right. So, and today I decided to make a nest over there, and this is a girl, her name Kika. She's making a nest. Yeah, I made this. You know, I got this rope and I just kind of peel it apart so it would be easier for her to get the materials to build her nest. So over there I put actual nest, I bought it, and now she uses similar material to build it. Yeah, I mean, she started to make a nest straight away, and I think it's pretty bushy inside right now. So I put some of this material before, I mean like a couple of hours ago, and actually the whole packet was done by a few hours, so I put some new stuff. The male actually, he helps her out to build the nest as well. So also here is my another two birds that I got. Isn't they cute? They are like a real couple. They are always together. They're sleeping together, eating together, do everything together. Actually, I bought this nest for them, but I don't know, I guess they are it's not the right time, and maybe they will try to make it in the springtime. I have no names for those two, and maybe someone will suggest me something. And I got the names for my canary birds, which is the girl, it's Kika, and boy, it's Kesha. Here is the boy, Kesha. Yeah. And so that's the thing. See? She had full mouth with this building material. Isn't that cool how they make it? How they try to make it cozy? Yeah. So yeah, that was a little update. See ya. Bye bye.